Hello students, today we'll learn how to convert one M array tree or general tree to your binary tree. So what is your M array tree? So a tree in which the node having either 0 or more child nodes, okay, or more children is called your general tree. And this type of tree is used for implementing your file system. First we will know what is your M array tree. Okay, this is my MRT. Okay, this is my MRT. Okay, that means what will be your definition of your general tree or your MRT? So, what will be your definition? That means a tree in which the node has either 0 or more child, a tree that contains either 0 or more than 2 child or more than 2 children are called your M-array. See, so this is your general tree or M-array tree. So this is the example of your M-array tree. Okay. So it contains multiple nodes or multiple children. So this is your M-array tree. So what is your binary tree then? You should know what is your general tree or M-array tree, then what is your binary tree, then only I can convert your general tree to your binary tree. So what is your binary tree? You know that a binary tree has at most 2 children. At most it has 2 children. That means this may be a binary tree, this may be one binary tree, and this may be your binary tree. That means a tree that may have 0 nodes or only 1 node or only 2 nodes may be called your binary tree. So a binary tree may have your 0, 1 or 2 children. So binary tree has at most 2 children. So how I will convert this general tree or your M-array tree or multi-way tree to your binary tree? This is my assignment. How I will convert this type of tree into your this type of tree. So there are various steps of conversion. First we will know. Yes, just take down this how we'll convert our general tree or M-array tree into your binary tree. A tree that contains either 0 or more than 2 children is called your M-array tree. What is binary tree? A binary tree is a tree that has at most 2 children. Okay, left tree and your left child and your right child, that left subtree or right subtree. Okay, so now we'll learn what is that process is called when we convert one M-array tree to your binary tree. Okay. A general tree can be converted into its equivalent binary tree. This equivalent binary tree. Okay. Then this process or your conversion process is called the this conversion process is called the natural correspondence between the general tree and your you don't have to write your and your binary tree. So one general tree can be converted into your equivalent binary tree, and this process is called your natural correspondence between your general tree and your binary tree. Okay. So now what are the steps of conversion? Steps of your conversion. Okay. Step 1, insert the edges. First I am telling you, first the step 1 is insert the edges connecting siblings from left to right at the same level. Okay, insert the edges that connecting the siblings. What do you mean by sibling? So this is your sibling. Suppose this is one tree, and A is the root, B and C are it is your left child and your right child, and the relationship between your B and C is called your sibling. You must know that before going to read this. Okay, so here A is your root and B is your left child and C is your right child. Okay, so the relationship between B and C is called your sibling. Okay, so what is your first step? So insert the edges correspond you are connecting siblings from left to right at the same level. Okay, at the same level I have to go on connecting your siblings from left to right. I have to start from left to your right of your tree. Okay, then what is your second step? Then erase the edges of a parent to its child or children except to its leftmost offspring. This means that yes, you have to keep the leftmost node and you have to erase them as their from its parents or from their parents in your general tree. So in the general tree, the tree, suppose this is your tree. Okay, that is that I have to consider. So you have to take the leftmost child, leftmost offspring, and I have to erase this and erase this. Okay, and I have to keep them erase as the children of your root, but I have to keep them at your right side of your this node. Okay, this is the right of this node and this is your right, and this is your right of this node. Okay, so I will explain in by giving one example to you. Okay, so you have to remember the steps only now. Then rotate the obtained tree, your rotate. So now first I have to insert the edges connecting to the sibling from left to right. Okay, then I have to keep the leftmost child or leftmost offspring, and I have to erase all the connection with the parent with the right child to its parents. Okay, then I have just got one tree. Then I have to rotate that found tree into your 45-degree left. Okay, rotate the obtained tree 45-degree to mark clearly left and right subtouch. So these are the steps. So steps can also be written in one clear manner, in the mathematical manner also. So if I will write the steps in the mathematical way, then this will be a little bit easier for you. So I am writing that the process of converting. So yes. So the process can be written as mathematically. So this is your mathematically, this is to remember according to your convenient. Okay, so bit 1. Okay, the root node of the root node of the general tree, or your MRE tree, you can say general tree, becomes the root node of your binary. Okay, you have to convert your general to your binary. So the node that is the root node of your general tree becomes the root node of your binary tree. This is your step 1. So what will be your step 2? Now, so now your T1, T2, T3 till your Tn are suppose. Now I have to write suppose. Suppose T1, T2, T3 and Tn are the child nodes of your root node. Okay, in the general tree, are the Tn are the child nodes of the root. MRA means it may have your 3, 4, 5. Okay, many number of children. So suppose T1, T2, T3 till your Tn are the child nodes of the root in the general. So then first you have to remember this, which one is your root node. Then suppose second one is, again I have to do one thing. I have to keep the leftmost child, and I have to erase the connectivity between the parent and your right child. So I have to write this statement in the mathematical way. So suppose T1, T2, T3 are the child nodes of the root node of the general tree, and the leftmost child this is suppose T1. Okay, T1 of the root node in the general tree becomes the leftmost child, or become the leftmost. When you say your leftmost child of the root in the binary tree. Here you can tell left or leftmost because the binary tree has only two children, left child or your right child. So you may write also it becomes the left child of the root node or root in the binary tree. So first one, the root node in the general tree becomes the root node in the binary tree. Second thing, the leftmost node in the general tree, suppose T1, becomes your leftmost or left child of the binary tree. You can say left, okay, because there is only one left child and one right child in your binary tree. You know that, okay. Now the node, so see this T1, T2 and T3. Now the node T2 becomes right child of your node T1. I have told, yes, I have to keep the leftmost in the general tree. I have to keep the leftmost node, and I have to erase all the connectivity between the parent and your child node. Now this right node will be the right child of your leftmost node. Okay. So now T1, and then node T3 becomes right child of node your T2. And this continues till you found your binary tree. Okay, so and so on. Okay. So the same procedure. So now, so your step 1 and step 2, and this is your step 3. Okay, so this is your step 3. This is your step 3. Then you have to rotate that. Okay, then you have to rotate to its 45 degree to get the appropriate tree. You have to rotate it 45 degree. Okay, so to get the binary tree. Here you can also get your binary tree, but if you have to put it in the your next sibling first manner, then you have to do it in the 2 steps. So that's why I am writing this. In some cases you don't have to rotate, because you have to just follow these steps and you can get your tree. But if you have to write the tree in your first, you have to put the tree in your next sibling first order, then you have to convert, you have to rotate it to the 45 degree. So you can keep this, or you cannot also skip this to get the binary tree. Okay, so this procedure continues till your leftmost node in the, there is a leftmost node in your general tree. Okay, this process, this 1 2 and step 1 2 and 3. So I am writing this, the same procedure continues of your step 2 and 3. Okay, of step 2 and 3 continues till we get the leftmost tree. Okay, now continues or your repeatedly done for each leftmost node in the general tree. Okay, in the general tree. So these are the steps. Now we will go for one example, so that this will be clear in your mind. Okay, so these are the steps. You have to remember this. These are simple steps only. We are writing in the mathematical way, that's why it makes you confused, but this is the simple steps. When I will do one example, it will be clear for you. Okay, let's do one example. Okay, so first, suppose this is your root node, this is your, and it has 3 children, suppose. Okay, then suppose C, and your suppose F and G. So let's do the steps. Let's do the steps. This is very easy, I am telling you. Okay, so here this is your root node, and this is the leftmost child, this is your rightmost child, this is your leftmost child, these are your right childs. Okay, then your, this is the left child of your B, this is the F is the left child of your E. Okay, so according to my steps, first I have to do what? First I have to keep the root node, this is your general tree. Okay, this is the general tree, and I have to convert it into the binary by following the steps. So suppose A is your root node. Here in the general tree, A is the root node. Here in the your binary tree, this is your binary tree. So here A is your root node. Then I have to keep left as it is. I have to keep left as it is. Okay, first go for the leftmost child B. I have to keep it B. Okay, yes, I have to keep it. Then I have to just erase the link of your H with A and your E with your A, and this becomes the right child of your B, and this H and E becomes the right child of your H is the right child of B, and your as this present, then E is the right child of your H. So H, now I have to just erase the link between the parent and your right child. So now I have to keep the leftmost. Yes, I have kept the leftmost. Then I have to just erase the link. I have erased the link. Now this becomes the right child of your B. Okay. Yes. Again I have to, this does not have any your left child. Again it has your, in the right side of your H, E is present, so you have to link, just cut the connectivity, and this is your E. Okay. So again go for your left side. So B has your left children, so I have to keep this. Yes, this is your correct. Now take your F and your G. Now take your F and your, the step as you can do like this. This may be step 1. If okay, if to your convenient, I will do it in your 2 or 3 steps. Suppose see, this is A. Okay, step 1. Okay, so step 2 A, then your B. Okay, then step 3 A, then your B, then I have to, then you can also draw one your next sibling first order. I will do that also. So then your H, then your E. Okay, so this could be done, this could also be done. Okay, then in the stepwise manner you can also tell that. Then step 4. Okay, step 4, in the step 4. Okay, so now I have to keep E. Okay, so E's left child is your F, so I have to keep your leftmost child, offspring. So I have to keep F as the left child, but and I have to just cut this link. Okay, I have to cut this link, I have to cut this link. Okay, then your now H becomes the right child of F. Okay, A, B, H, E. Okay, H, E. Then your is your left child is F. You have to keep it. You have to keep it. Then I have to cut the link. Yes. Then G becomes the right child of. Okay. This is my found binary tree. This is my found binary tree. See, this can be done in your left offspring next manner. So for this one you must learn. Okay, then we will go for that one, that part, or how that can be done. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another example. Example suppose 2. Okay, so I will do it in your first child next sibling manner. So this is your A, and suppose this is your B, and this is your suppose D. So this is your suppose C, then your E, F. Okay, E, F. Then suppose has 3 children, H, I, J, then G, H, suppose K and L. So this is your question tree. This is your question tree. So now think how this will be done. Think. First I have to convert it as the first child next siblings. Okay, I will do this. See here I can do. So A, yes, I have to keep your B, I have to keep your E, because I have to keep the leftmost child. Okay, then this is your C and this is your D. So I have to just disconnect it. So your C will be your right child of your B, and your again this C's right child will be your D. Okay, so you can also give arrow so that during the time conversion this will be easier for you. Okay, so C's left child is G. Okay, so your again see, this one is also there, this one is also there. First I have to do this. Okay, I have done B, then E, then your B's just right child is C, and your C's right child is D. Okay, then E, I have to keep E, and E's right child is your F. Okay, then I have to keep G as your C's left child, because I have to keep it. Okay, leftmost node, that's why I have to keep it. Again D, D's your right child is your H, leftmost, sorry, D's leftmost child is your H, and these are your its right child. So to keep H as the leftmost child of your D. Okay, now I have to cut the link. Okay, then I becomes the right child of H and J becomes the right child of your I. Okay, so your this will be easier. What? I and J, you have to write I and J. I and J. Okay, now I have to keep K and L. So I put A, yes, A, then B, then C, then D, E, F, G, H, I, J, then I have to put K, L. You know that yes, K is the leftmost child of your H, so I have to keep it. K, again I have to just cut the link and make L as the right child of your K. Yes, now I found my tree. Then I have to just rotate it 45 degree to get my appropriate tree. Okay, so this is your step 1. After the following steps of the conversion, this is my found your first childless sibling manner. Then this is your result tree, resultant binary tree. Okay, or in the step 2 you can get your, you have to just convert it, rotate it 45 degree. So now what I have to do? Yes, this is my root node, this is my leftmost node, again this is my leftmost node. Okay, yes, then B. Okay, B, now C is your right child of your B. Yes, C, right. Okay, then your E, then E's right child is your F. Yes, I did it. Okay, then C's left child is your G. Yes, okay, C's right child is your D. I don't have enough space, just draw it clearly. D, again D's left child is your H. Okay, yes, then your S left child is your K. Yes, I have to just erase a little bit from here. Okay, erase a little bit from here. So you just take it, note it down, and from this tree you have to just find this tree. So what? Yes, D, H and your D, H and your K. Now in my tree, now D, H and K. Then K's right child will be your L. K's right child will be your L. Okay, then I have to put them. Then H, then your H right child will be I. S right child will be your I. Then I's right child will be your J. Just from this tree, draw this. Okay, so let me check again. Yes, A, then yes, your B, then E, C, F. Okay, yes, then G, then your D, then yes H is left child, K left child, L your right child, then S your this is right child. Yes, this is your correct found binary. Yes, so you have to do root, yes root, leftmost, yes leftmost, and leftmost, yes, done. So this is your present at the right side, so you have to cut the link, you have to make F as the right child of your E. Okay, yes, done. Then I have to make this is the right child, just cut the link, then you have to just put C is the right child of B and D is the right child of C. Yes, yes, I have done that. Okay, then now C's left child is your G, so I have to put it. Okay, yes, then H right child is I and your I's right child is J. So first I have to do this. Okay, first I have to do this. I have to just keep that. C's right child is D. Yes, C's right child is D. Okay, then I have to keep the H is the leftmost child of D. Yes, leftmost child. Then S right child is I and I's right child is J. Yes, I have done it. And now I have to do this part. S left child is K. Yes, I have to put as it is. Then your L is your right child of your K. Okay, this is my found binary tree. Now take another example. Take another example. Take this is one your general tree. Okay, 1, then suppose 2, 3, and your suppose 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 5 and 6 will be the children of your 2. Then suppose 4 left is 7 and your 8, 9. Okay. We erase this first. Then it will be our last example in this class. Okay. So I will bring new concept of your data structure and any other programming language for you. Okay, please just like and share my video. Achha. So first I have to convert it. Okay, so now 1 yes, 2 yes, 5. I have to just write your left part. Okay, then this is its right. Okay, then this is its right, then this is its right. Yes, then your 3 doesn't have any children, so 7. Yes, 7. Okay, again 7's right is your 8. Okay, 7's right is your 8 and your 8's is your 7's left. Okay, this I have to put the leftmost part. Yes, I have to put the leftmost children. 7's left is your 8, so I have to keep as it is. Then just cut the link. And this is my generally your first child next sibling manner. Your first child next sibling manner. Then I can rotate it to your 45 degree to get my found tree. So how that will be done, just see how that will be done. Okay, result. Okay, two, then your 5. Yes, then your 2's. So I have to draw just upper side. Will miss something. Okay, see, if this is not found in this area, then I have to do it in your upper side. Okay, so 1, 2 and your 5. Then this is your 3. Yes, this is 3. 3's right is your 4. Yes, this is 4. Okay, then 5's right is your 6. 5's right is your 6. Yes, 6. Then 4, 7. Perhaps this will not accommodate in this area, so I am drawing the resultant tree here. Okay, so resultant tree will be one, then leftmost 2, yes 2, then leftmost 5, yes 5, 1 2 5 1 2 5. Okay, then 2's right child is 3. Okay, 3, then your 3's right child is your 4, yes 3 right child 4, 5 right child is your 6, yes, then 4's left child is your 7, yes, then your 7's left child is your 8, yes, then your 8's right child is your n, yes. Now this will be accommodated. Okay, this is my found binary tree from your general tree. So this is your step 1 and this is your step 2. Okay, okay, now I have completed this. So thank you for watching my video.